What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and thank you guys so much for clicking the button and checking your girl out today. Y'all, we have a new sub on our channel, and I hope that after this unboxing, well, depending on if I like it or not, the Naked Beauty box will go ahead and put me on a PR list, huh? Yes. Let's keep our fingers crossed. But today, guys, we are unboxing the Naked Beauty box. And the owner reached out to me, asked me if I would unbox this for you guys to show you what they had to offer for the month of October. So if you guys want to see what's in this box, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're into clean skincare products. Okay, loves, welcome. As I said in the intro, I am TonyaNicole, and welcome, guys. Y'all, we have hit the 4K mark. I'm so excited. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. If you're new here, we are crazy, down to earth, honest, all kinds of things over here. So I do hope you enjoy your time while you're watching your girl. Today, guys, as I said in the intro, we have a new sub, the Naked Beauty box. I'm very excited to jump into this box. But before we do that, y'all know we got to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl so early. I appreciate you all. My drink today is a little Moscato. Y'all know we're gonna take a dance break and a drink break. Are y'all enjoying October so far? Y'all, I don't know. We still getting hurricanes here in Louisiana, and it's like, girl, like, when is it gonna be enough? Jeez, we've done enough chatting. Let's get into the specs and unbox this box. So this, guys, is the Naked Beauty box. It is a skincare subscription. This box is $35.99 each month plus free shipping. Yes, free shipping. You're supposed to get 5 full-size skincare products that are clean, cruelty-free, and vegan, and it's supposed to have a value of up to $150. Naked Beauty boxes is about discovering great, clean, cruelty-free, and vegan skincare brands and falling in love with great skincare and having a great skincare routine. And y'all know I am a makeup lover, but honestly, guys, skincare is definitely the basis for your makeup looking bomb ass. If your skin ain't right underneath the makeup, boo, you might want to check it, because you need skincare to make your face flawless. Anywho, if you use the code TONYA20, you can get 20% off of your first box. So I'm excited to bust this baby open. So without further ado, let's get it on and poppin', boo. Now, I did do an unboxing of this before. I know I'm talking a lot, y'all. I'm sorry. But I did do a boxing of this box already, and my camera somehow stopped recording. It was a big old mix-up, so I'm unboxing it for the second time, but you guys will see it for the first time, if that makes sense. Okay, let's get it open. On the front here, it says the box your skin will love. And let's take a peek, see, boo. Alrighty, so that's what it looks like on the inside, guys. We get a thank you card. It says, fall is in full swing. Enjoy good food, great friends, and great skincare. XOXO Katie, right there. We do get a card that's just as fancy as the box. I love the design. And on the inside, guys, it gives us our products as well as prices. So y'all know I'm gonna put them on the bottom of the screen. First up out of the box, I am pulling out from Susan and Me, and this is the Daily Dose Omega Moisture Butter. That's what it looks like, my loves. And in here you have vitamin B and omegas 3, 6, and 9. You get 2.3 ounces of product in here. Let's open her up. Ooh, okay. When we open her up, that's what she looks like right there, my loves. And this is a moisture butter. It does have a safety seal. I'm gonna lift it up just a little bit so that you guys can see what it looks like. It's like a thick butter, and it smells like, I don't want to say peanut, I don't know. I don't know what the smell is. It doesn't smell bad though. It's a nice subtle scent, which I do like because I don't really like anything that's too heavily fragranced. Let's read off the card, y'all. This is the Daily Dose Omega Butter. It's 100% vegan, non-toxic. It's a daily treatment that softens your skin, alleviates dryness, and strengthens the skin's moisture barrier. Evening primrose and avocado oils contain powerful antioxidants and essential fatty acids that boost moisture and support skin regeneration. You can use this over rough patches on your heels, knees, and elbows. A little goes a long way with this creamy concoction. It's fast absorbing and instantly hydrating to get you through those dry summers and cold winter months. Say goodbye to dry skin. And this, guys, retails for $26. And I am combination oily on my face, but in the winter, even though it really doesn't get extremely cold here, my skin does, tend to be more on the drier side. I am looking forward to using this butter because I know that it has shea butter in it and omega-3, 6, and 9. So it's going to help to lock in some of this moisture, boo, because I can't be all dry skinned in the winter. Not a good look. The next product, guys, is from Base Blue, and it is the Air Sponge. This is an air sponge that swells in size when it's wet to prevent absorption and product waste. Base Blue's air sponge can be used for more than just makeup. You can use this air sponge to apply your sunscreen, moisturizers, and primers. And this, guys, retails for $7. I do have a couple of Base Blue sponges. This is one of them. I have used the pink one to blend out my foundations, and I really, really, really enjoy it. It doesn't get super, super big, but it does get much bigger than this. So I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna put it in a giveaway for one of you guys, and it retails for $7, guys. Up next, we have from Recharges, I'm not sure what that word is. I'll put it across the screen here. Organics, and this is a Hyaluronic Radiance Serum. And that's what it looks like right there, my loves. And in this bottle, you get 2 ounces of product. It says on the side, hyaluronic acid draws moisture deep into the skin, plumps cells, and activates collagen production for a fresher, younger, brighter complexion. So you want to apply this before you do your foundation. And I do love hyaluronic acid. Y'all, if y'all been watching me for a while, I don't know if I mentioned this a lot on my channel though, but I do like the way my skin looks and feels after I apply hyaluronic acid, and nothing is better than a clean, cruelty-free one, right? So on this sheet here, it says hyaluronic acid makes up 5% of this high quality formulation, holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water and drawing moisture out of the environment and onto the surface of your skin. There is not a more effective moisturizing agent on the world market today. Girl, that's a lot of claims, huh? It will not clog your pores. It penetrates deeply and activates collagen production for a fresher, younger, firmer, brighter complexion. This retails for $18, my loves, and this is a lot. 2 ounces of product. Let's see if I smell anything. Nothing really. It comes with this little dropper. All right, I'm excited to use this. I love serums. I love hyaluronic acid, so that's a win-win for your girl. Let me take a little drink. Next up, we have from Wicked Good. This is a glossy dry oil spray. Hydrate and glow. On the paper here, it says this weightless, non-greasy body oil features an easy spray application and contains antioxidant-rich coconut and meadow foam oils to help soothe dry skin and improve overall skin texture and tone. The spray-on body oil delivers a fine mist that quickly absorbs into the skin, residue-free and dry to touch. Is perfect for dry feet and legs. And this retails for $18, my loves. And in here you get 3.8 ounces of product. Let's take it off. It does come with like a little spray bottle. I'm gonna spray it first. No scent, and we're gonna spray a little bit on the hand to see. That's how it looks when I spray it on my hand. Rub it in. Ooh, okay, good. Let me tell you, I do need more moisture in my feet and heels because since I haven't been going to the nail salon to get pedicures, I've been kind of slipping on that. So y'all, the heels is looking like girl. So this will come in handy on them days when I just need to get a little bit extra moisture because dry heels ain't the look, sis, at all. And the last product we have, guys, comes from Bumble Bee Soapery. And these are organically handcrafted in New Hampshire. And they are 2 little bars of soap. I did open this one already because I told y'all I unboxed this already, but never mind. But this is what they look like, guys. You do get 2. And since this one is open, this is the one I'm going to show you. This one is the Sugar Scrub Organic Soap. And this one is the Tea Tree Sugar Scrub Soap. So we open it up. It comes in this little brown bag. And this is what it looks like. It's like little sugar cubes is what I call them. Little squares. So I'm assuming that you would break one off and scrub it on your body. Let's see. I'm congested, so I really can't smell anything, but it has a light perfume fragrance, maybe like rose or something, I'm not sure. But it says on here that sugar makes a fantastic body polisher, scrub away dry, cracked, and dead skin to reveal soft, smooth, and sweet skin. Includes organic coconut oil, shea butter, organic sugar, olive oil, and lots of love. And these 2, I'm not sure if they're $16 together or each. So yeah, 16 bucks, guys. And I will use this, scrub this first on my body, rub this on my body to get all that dead skin off. Then I'm gonna go on in with this little oil. And then I'm gonna hit it with this right here, this moisture butter. Girl, your girl is gonna be looking well moisturized for the winter, boo. All right, my love. So that was the final product in this month's box, and I'm very, very, very pleased. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received this Hyaluronic Radiance Serum from Base Blue, this air sponge. From Susan and Me, the Daily Dose Omega Moisture Butter. From Wicked Good, the Glossy Dry Oil Spray. And from Bumble Bee Soapery, this Sugar Cube Body Scrub. These products right here, guys. Final thoughts on this box is I really enjoyed the Naked Beauty box. I think that the products here will serve very well for a variety of people, both men and women, different skin types, because most of the time during the winter, our skin does kind of dry out a little bit. So these products are definitely there to bring back the moisture and keep us looking all glossy and well moisturized, boo, you know, because ain't nothing worse than dry skin during the winter. Yes, it cracks up, it bleeds, and you don't want that. That's not a good look. So I am very happy that they are able to get me ready for winter. And even though it doesn't get really too cold in Louisiana, we still get some cool days. So I can use all the moisture on my body that I can get. So I do like this box. You guys know that I am like a makeup junkie, but skincare, guys, is important. And I'm not just talking about on your face. I'm talking about all over your body. You know, make sure you take care of your skin as well as everything else. So I'm happy to receive skincare. Don't count me out as like I don't want skincare, because I do like skincare, because it is the foundation to flawless makeup for sure. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn landfill. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give the Naked box a solid 4. I really love that they are handcrafted, made with love, some of these products. I do like that they're clean products, cruelty-free, they're vegan. So I am going to get a lot of use out of this, and I really enjoyed this subscription for this month. Let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up. I want to know what you think about this box. I want to know if you would consider subscribing to this box. I know I have a lot of skincare junkies, and I think that you guys would really enjoy this box. So yes, my loves, if you have not done so already, make sure you are subscribed to your girl so that you could be a part of this bomb ass unboxing squad. Also, make sure your notifications are on. Even though YouTube has been playing me and not sending out my notifications, I do post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. And I do post a lot on my community tab. So make sure, guys, that you are checking that out. Follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. I'm very active on both of those. And that's all that I have, my loves. Are y'all liking my new little Africa earrings? Girl, I think they cute. Anywho, all right, guys, it's been fun. I will talk to you guys in the comments and see you on my next video. Be blessed, stay healthy and safe. I love you all. Bye.